Hello students, welcome back to school. So for today, I would first give an introduction to science. Students, what is science? Science is our effort to actually understand the world around us. We depend on observations and experiments as well as measurements to make predictions about our planet. Our understanding of the world is constantly changing as the technology improves and there are new ideas. Before I go further into the topic, I would like you to go read up on this picture. There is a story there about Amir. I need you to think what could happen next. Would someone get hurt? Or would the experiment be ruined? Besides that, you need to spot two mistakes that Amir and his friends has made. So today we are actually going to become science safety detectives and learn the important rules that help keep everyone safe in the lab, science lab. Students, most science labs, this is how it looks. It will be clean, it should be well maintained, and it should be well kept to avoid any accidents as well as cleanliness. So today we will learn how to stay safe in a science lab by identifying, understanding, and following certain important lab safety rules. This is to prevent accidents from occurring during our experiments. Okay? Now, look at this slide. Actually, there are more than 10 types of rules in a lab. But for now, I will just go through these 5 basic safety rules for you to understand before we actually go to a science lab. Okay? You need to remember, why are safety rules important? Why are these lab safety rules important? It is important because these rules can actually keep us safe. It can also protect ourselves and our friends. It helps us to learn in a fun and safe way. Okay, so what are the first rule that you need to follow is always remember you must only walk and not run. This is to avoid spills or accidents and injuries. Secondly, you need to listen to the teacher very carefully. You need to follow instructions before you do anything. Third, there must be no food or drinks on your table or inside the lab. This could lead to food poisoning. Okay? Fourth, you need to use all equipments and apparatus carefully, as most of the apparatus are made of glass. It could break easily and lead to injuries. And finally, if at all there is an accident that happens, if something spills or breaks or even anyone gets hurt, you need to inform the teacher so the teacher can help to solve the problem. Now, let's play a game. Based on the picture, please let me know if it is a safe or unsafe situation. The first picture, the boy is pouring the liquid into the measuring cylinder. Is it safe or unsafe? It is safe, yes, because they are wearing the goggles and they are well seated, not playing, they are focused in their work. The second picture is a picture of a girl eating biscuits in the science lab. So, yeah, it is unsafe as this could lead to food poisoning. Students, this slide shows you the unsafe behavior in a science lab. For example, a boy is running in the lab, the girl is eating and drinking, the other boy is tasting and smelling chemicals. There is a girl who is actually playing with water. So these are the unsafe behaviors that you should avoid when you are in the lab. Students, this slide shows a few sentences and you will need to choose which is the correct answer. Okay, so thank you for now. Bye.